Hello everyone. I have to show you something. Look, my chickens are so cute. There is this two, and the other one is there. It's really happy. Yeah. And Louis also happy. Yeah, Louis. But look here what I found today. It's 4 eggs. I don't know, one star 2 egg. No, this looks like different. So all 2 start to egg, laying eggs again. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, she's so happy. And shy. Yeah, Louis. Yeah. See here, more chickens. Yeah. Louis. Bravo, Louis. Yeah. I get 4 eggs from these chickens. Yeah. See? Nah, it's not for you, it's for me. Yeah, look. You're scared here. Why are you going there? Corner. Look how cute. Okay. Good. And want to try this one. She don't know what she wants. This or that. So cute.